I cover a fair bit of mobile gaming content here on the channel and thought this product would be a great fit for anyone looking to charge their phone without having a cable sticking at the bottom. But before we look deeper at this product, I first want to point out that I purchased this with the money that I received from the membership system here on the channel. These folks are generous enough to help support the channel by donating $1 to $5 each month, and getting products in like this shows just how helpful this is. Thank you to each and every one of you. I'm humbled every month when I see people are willing to help build content for the Android community like this. I'll have the link to becoming a member of the channel in the video description below, but you'll also find that in the pinned comment here as well, so that it's easy for everyone to find. So, the unit that I got here today is the 1 meter option, but they do have one that is 3 meters long if you're looking for an extended charging cable. It is labeled as a fast charging cable, but it will also work for transferring data as well. The company is advertising an enhanced copper core and an e-marker chip that allows the cable to detect voltage and current so that you don't have any overcharging issues like there are with some other cables on the market. The Baseus MVP3 offers up to 100 watts of charging and up to 480 megabits per second when it comes to transferring data when the conditions are optimal. It has this unique 90-degree plug, so the cable isn't getting in the way while you're playing a game and keeping your phone charged. The nylon braiding seems to be very high quality too, so I could see this making the cable very durable in the long run. They even market this cable with its rounded edges and profile that comes in at just over 1/4 of an inch. Those rounded edges and the size of the connector make it really comfortable to use, especially for extended periods of time. The connector plugs into the USB port very securely too, so I don't see there being any issues with it coming out by accident or breaking through normal wear and tear. The company is even happy to talk about its bend test process, which puts the cable through 40,000 bends just to make sure it isn't going to snap on you because you use it frequently. The cable is great for those who need something to fit in a tight corner, since it can even be used in reverse with the 90-degree connector attached to the charger itself. But it can also make your workstation much more neat and organized, with the cable being sent out the back of the device rather than sticking out from it. That way you can route your cables off the back of your desk without them being strewn around on the front. And you won't have any trouble using this on a variety of electronic devices either, including your smartphone, tablet, laptops, and even handheld game consoles. You can see even when it's plugged into a smartphone, you can hold the phone very secure and play your game just like you normally would. I have read some reviews that say they couldn't get it to work with their phone because of the type of case they had on it, but I didn't have any of these issues, possibly because the cases that I use are on the slim side instead of a super thick, rugged option. I gotta say, I'm a fan of unique cable designs like this one. I've seen there are a few 90-degree and 180-degree adapters that people are buying so that they can keep using their own USB cable. And those are fine as well. I can just attest to this unit feeling sturdy and solid with it being one fully molded piece and not multiple pieces connected in a chain. but I would be curious to hear if any of you have had a chance to try out this specific charging cable, or really any 90-degree charging cable in general. Please share your thoughts down in the comment section below, where you'll find the Amazon link to this product so that you can get one for yourself. The retail price for this is just at $16, but I see these discounted on Amazon multiple times throughout the year. Buying products through the affiliate links I have on the channel can help support me, since I get a very small portion of that sale. So anytime you need to get something from Amazon, be sure to use my affiliate link first, so some of that money can go back to funding the channel. Now, I would appreciate it if you would all give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel either for more Android product reviews like this.